YouTube TV Red Zone. In today's video, you are going to learn how to cancel Red Zone on YouTube TV. So let's get started. First, open your YouTube TV on a computer on your mobile device. On a computer, go to youtube.com and sign into your account. On a mobile device, open the YouTube TV app on your phone or tablet and sign in. After that, go to Settings on a computer, click on your profile picture in the top right corner, select Settings from the drop-down menu. On a mobile device, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner and go to the Settings. Then navigate to the Membership settings. In Settings, find and select Membership. This will show your YouTube TV subscription and add-ons. In the next step, Manage Add-ons. Scroll down to the Add-ons section where NFL Red Zone is listed. Find NFL Red Zone and click on Manage or Cancel. Now you will done the process of cancelling Red Zone on YouTube TV. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.